નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Good morning students, how are you all? See, you all know it from your first standard. You have learned that there are four directions: north, east, west and south. Right? All these directions you can see in your map also, and all the countries and big cities, they are also indicated in the map with the help of the direction. Right? So in your body also you have two hands, right? One is the left hand and one is the right hand. So both the hands are used to indicate the direction, and most of the people mostly use right hand to eat the food or for writing also. Means they mostly use their right hand to do most of their works. Okay, and while you see the map, you can see one sign in the map that is like this, which indicates north direction. So if you hold the map in front of you properly, then you can see on the right hand side there is east direction and on the left hand side there is west direction, right? So with the help of right and left we can indicate all the directions. For example, if anybody has forgotten the path, means उन्हें कहाँ जाना है वो भूल गए, and if he asked you the address, then you might say na that you have to go here from the left or you have to move to the right. Right? How you can know? Only by indicating the direction left or right. Okay, and in the map also you can see different symbols are used to indicate different places. Okay, so in this chapter also we will learn about the directions, that is left and right. Okay, so we can look to our right, left, front, back from the place where we are sitting. For example, if I have to say that there is a whiteboard, but where is the whiteboard? It is behind me, right? And where are the benches? In front of me, right? And where is the door of your classroom? So it is on the left side of me and the windows are on the right side of me. Okay, so with the help of this left and right hand we can give the directions. Okay, so in this chapter we will learn about, first of all, on the page number 149 there is given one picture of a palm. See, given below is a picture of a hand paw. Paw means this one. So you have to put your paw on this, and how you have to put? So that the palm faces on the paper. Okay, then see, there is one song also given related to the hand. So first of all let us see that. Put your right hand up, put your left hand down. So we will do it with our actions also. So put your right hand up. Which is my right hand? This one, right? So put your right hand up and left hand down. Then put your both hands up and turn around like this. Okay, then put your left hand up, then put your right hand down, then put your both hands down and just jump around. Okay, so this song is for the right hand. Now see, there is given one blank spaces and there you have to write the song for the left hand also. So let us do it for the left hand. So first of all, in the right hand picture, right hand was taken first, right? So put your left hand up and right hand down. Put your both hands up and down around. Then put your right hand up and left hand down. Put your both hands down and jump around. So this is the poem that we have made on the left hand. Okay. So in this chapter there are given some pictures also. In that you have to recognize the direction, means what is in front of, what is behind, what is left and what is right. So in this chapter basically we will learn about different directions, and also there are given some picture, and from that you have to write which area or buildings are on the left side or which buildings are on the right side. And also we will learn about different symbols that are used for different places. Okay, so everybody clear? In this chapter we will learn about different directions. So everybody clear now? Thank you for joining us.